Hey, welcome back to Rising Voice English. I'm Anna, and today we're doing something super cozy, something real, a slow review of everything we talked about, and then our first real conversation practice, a self-introduction, just like you would do when you meet someone new for real.
Hey, Anna. Hey, everyone. I'm Tom, and today's vibe is chill. No rush, no stress, just natural English. The kind you hear when you're grabbing coffee, hanging out with friends, or just talking to yourself in the mirror. You know.
Exactly. And before we jump into the self-introduction, we're going to do a quick but warm review of common verbs and the simple present, the stuff you use every single day. But we're going to keep it calm, no textbook energy, just real talk.
Yeah, let's take it slow. The simple present is the tense you use when you talk about habits, routines, facts, and things that are always true. Like, I wake up at 7, or she works downtown, or we eat lunch at noon. It's the backbone of everyday English.
And we're going to review the most common verbs, the ones you'll hear and use all the time. Be, have, do, go, get, make, take, see, come, think, know, want, need, like, love, work, eat, drink, and sleep. Then a bunch of phrasal verbs too, like wake up, get up, put on, take off, pick up, drop off, and hang out.
Yeah, and let's not forget slang, because that's what makes English sound natural. Like, I grab coffee instead of I get coffee. I hit the gym instead of I exercise. I crash early instead of I sleep early. And I'm down for pizza instead of I want pizza. These little swaps make your English sound alive.
Exactly. And before we move on, let's do a super quick but friendly reminder of the rules. In the simple present for he, she, and it, you add s or es, like he works, she goes, and it watches. But when you use do or does in questions or negatives, you do not add s. So we say, does he work, not does he works.
And for negatives, we use don't or doesn't plus the base verb. So I don't like, she doesn't work, they don't watch. And for questions, do you like and does she work? It's super simple once you get the rhythm.
And frequency adverbs like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never go inside the sentence. For example, I usually eat breakfast. She sometimes goes to the gym, and they never drink soda. They make your sentences sound more natural, more like you.
Yeah, and contractions are used all the time in speech. I'm, your, he's, don't, doesn't, I've, and I'm gonna, which is informal for I'm going to. But heads up, gonna is super casual, so use it with friends, not in formal emails.
Perfect. And now we're going to move into the fun part, our first real conversation practice, a self-introduction. This is the kind of thing you say when you meet someone new, at school, at work, at a coffee shop, or even online in a chat or a voice call.
Yeah, and we're going to do it slow so you can pause, repeat, and practice out loud. We'll start with a basic version, then a more natural casual version, and then you can make it your own with your real info and your unique details.
All right, let's begin. Here's a simple fill-in-the-blank self-introduction template for beginners. You can write your answers and then read it out loud slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
Here we go. Hi, I'm from, I'm years old. I live in, I work as, or I study. I usually wake up at, I usually eat, I watch, I like, and I'm into, I'm down for, on weekends. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
And here's an example filled in. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from London, England. I'm 28 years old. I live in London. I'm a student and I study English. I usually wake up at 7. I grab coffee in the morning. I like indie music and I'm into hiking. I'm down for hanging out on weekends. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Nice. And now let's do the intermediate version. A bit more natural, a bit more conversational. Same info, but with more flow, more slang, more you.
Here we go. Hey, I'm from, but I live here now. I work as, or I'm studying. On most days, I get up at, grab coffee, and head out to, place. I usually eat or work or study at. I'm into interests or hobbies, and I love activity. I'm down for activity on weekends. We could plan. Nice to meet you. What's your name and what do you do?
And here's an example filled in. Hey, I'm Anna. I'm from London, but I live here now. I work as a teacher. On most days, I get up at 7, grab coffee, and head out to school. I usually eat lunch at noon. I'm into music and hiking, and I love indie films. I'm down for grabbing coffee on weekends. We could grab coffee sometime. Nice to meet you. What's your name and what do you do?
Perfect. And now let's do a real slow-paced self-introduction conversation between Anna and Tom. This is about 2 minutes, but you can pause and repeat after each line and practice with a partner or just talk to yourself in the mirror.
Yeah, talking to yourself is totally fine. That's how I practiced when I was learning. So here we go. Anna, you start.
Hey, I'm Anna. I'm from London, and I live in London now. I'm a student. I study English. I usually wake up at 7, grab coffee, and head out around 8. I'm into music, and I'm down for hanging out on weekends. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hey, Anna. I'm Tom. I'm from New York, and I work as a teacher. I usually get up at 6:30, eat breakfast, and go to work. I like hiking, and I'm into indie films. I'm down for grabbing coffee on Saturdays. What do you like to do for fun?
I like listening to music and watching movies. Sometimes I hang out with friends on Fridays.
Sweet. Let's grab coffee next Saturday. I'm down for that.
Perfect. I got you. See you then.
See ya.
And now let's do 3 quick practice rounds so you can build confidence.
Round 1, basic, 30 seconds. Just your name, where you're from, and one habit.
Round 2, add 1 detail, 45 seconds. Add your job or study and your hobby.
Round 3, full casual intro, 60 seconds. Use the intermediate template and add 1 slang phrase, like I grab coffee, I hit the gym, I'm down for, or I chill at home.
And here's a tip. Record yourself, listen back, and check. Did you use the simple present for habits? Did you add S for he, she, it? Did you use contractions? Did you include 1 slang phrase? And did you speak clearly and not rush?
And let's do a super quick mistake check. Common mistakes. He don't like to he doesn't like. Does he goes to does he go. She works not here to she doesn't work here. She go to she goes. And gonna is casual, so use it with friends, not in formal writing.
Yeah, and here's a self-evaluation checklist before you speak. Did I use the simple present for habits? Did I add S for he, she, it? Did I use contractions? Did I include 1 slang phrase? And did I speak clearly and not rush? If you said yes to all of that, you're good to go.
All right, and now let's do a longer, more natural self-introduction dialogue. This one is about 3 minutes, and it includes more questions, more follow-up, and more real conversation, so you can see how it flows in a real cozy chat.
Yeah, this is the kind of conversation you'd have at a coffee shop, at a language exchange, or at a new job where you're meeting people for the first time. So let's go. Anna, you start. Hey, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. I'm from South Korea, but I live in London now. I'm a student. I study English, and I'm really into music and traveling. What about you? What's your name?
Hey, Anna. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you too. I'm from New York, and I work as a teacher. I teach English, actually, which is cool because I get to help people as they learn. So, what do you like to do for fun?
I like listening to music, especially indie stuff, and I love watching movies. Sometimes I hang out with friends on Fridays, and I'm down for grabbing coffee on weekends. What about you? What do you like to do on weekends?
I like hiking, and I'm into indie films too, so we're kind of similar. I usually grab coffee on Saturdays, and sometimes I hit the gym in the morning. I crash early because I wake up early for work.
Nice, I do that too. I wake up at 7, grab coffee, and head out. Sometimes I go to the gym, but I'm more into hiking on weekends. I'm down for trying new trails in the city.
Sweet, I'm down for that too. We could grab coffee and then go hiking next Saturday. What do you think?
Perfect, I got you. Let's do it. See you next Saturday at 9 for coffee.
See you, and nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
And now let's do a quick recap of the key points from this review and conversation practice.
Simple present for habits, routines, and facts.
Common verbs: be, have, do, go, get, make, take, see, come, think, know, want, need, like, love, work, eat, drink, sleep.
Phrasal verbs: wake up, get up, put on, take off, pick up, drop off, hang out, grab, hit the gym, crash, head out.
Slang: I'm down for, I got you, I'm into, I'm all set, I'll pass, I feel you.
Perfect. I got you. Let's do it. See you next Saturday at 9 for coffee.
See ya, and nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
And now let's do a quick recap of the key points from this review and conversation practice.
Simple present for habits, routines, and facts.
Common verbs: be, have, do, go, get, make, take, see, come, think, know, want, need, like, love, work, eat, drink, sleep.
Phrasal verbs: wake up, get up, put on, take off, pick up, drop off, hang out, grab, hit the gym, crash, head out.
Slang: I'm down for, I got you, I'm into, I'm all set, I'll pass, I feel you.
Contractions: I'm, your, he's, don't, doesn't, I've, I'm gonna.
Frequency adverbs: always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never.
And self-introduction: basic, intermediate, and natural, with follow-up questions.
And a final tip: practice every day, even if it's just 5 minutes. Say your self-introduction out loud, record yourself, listen back, and make it your own with your real info and your unique details.
Yeah, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how you learn. So just talk, 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 and you'll get better every single day.
All right, that's it for today. Thank you for chilling with us and practicing with us. If you liked this slow, cozy episode, drop a like, comment your self-introduction below, and subscribe to Rising Voice English.
And hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode. We'll be back with more real conversational English, more slang, more phrasal verbs, and more cozy, chill vibes.
Catch you later. Peace.
Later. Bye.